Okay, guys, so this is my favorite part because I love optimizing my videos before we even upload them to get best possible ranking scenario, and so that we get better traffic from the second largest search engine, which is YouTube. Okay, so for that, we are giving you access to our Unfair Advantage app, and it's also, you will see the term as viral video. But what is important is when you log in, the access is right on this video inside the members area, or in the access your software section. We have tons and tons of power in the software, but how we going to use that is very important. So we're going to take the same example, what where we left last in the last video. So I'm assuming you have used the done for you template and you've created your video by now. You should do that before you watch this. Okay, I want you to work with us. Okay, that's very important. So for example, there's the same product that we're working on. So it's a long standing kitchen cabinet, and so what I did was I just copied the title, and I came in my software. Sorry, so I came in my software, went to the trending video section, I pasted the title here, and I hit search, and we got all these details. Now these are the videos which are trending for this keyword on YouTube right now. I see a snapshot of the title that you're using, the video itself, and of course the description, their thumbnail, and there's so many things that I can do. I can save this video for further investigation or future analysis. Again, I want to, just you can just save all your results, and you can keep it in the saved section, and you can access your saved section anytime that you want. And then what you have to do is you just take a look for the video. You can also click on the video, it plays right here. You can play it on YouTube as well. So it plays in the app because I'm using iPad. So so basically the video plays. I don't want to play it right now, and you can see how many views they have and other stuff. But what I have seen is there's not much of the competition, and that's the reason we're gonna rank really fast. And the other thing I see is I see this normal thumbnail. I'm not interested in clicking. I need something more classy. So always use thumbnails which are eye-catching. Something that we did in the video template, I mean done for you template. The first slide is warning. So just use something like that. So just do something which others are not doing. Just make it flashy. Something like orange background and a big text on it, or some viral image, and then the name, so it gets more clicks. Okay, and we're gonna add more and more training whenever we feel it's important for you, so don't worry on that. But if you have any questions, it's very simple. Just see what others are doing, and if you feel these are good, if you really want to buy this, then are these the right thumbnails? No, I don't think so. These are right thumbnails. We're gonna stand out once we upload our videos. So because we are using strategies a little differently. But what you can do is you can just research here, and then you can also come to let's see, say I copied this video, and let me just play it in the browser, because I think that's how I can get the right URL for my tags. So right, so now I can just copy this, and okay, so now let's go. I want to show you something really cool, so please bear with me. Now right here we have trending keywords, competition, and trending tags. So trending tags is my favorite, guys. So this really helps in getting really good rankings. So I paste the URL of that video, which is like on number one on YouTube right now, and it gives me all the tags that you're using. Look at this. So look at this. So it's giving me all the tags that they are using. I just need to hit copy, and let me see if I have my notepad open. Awesome, I have my notepad here, and let me just paste it right here, and you see, like, it's all done for you. So you get all the tags here, and you just need to copy and paste this. So what you have to do is you have to paste the titles here, you have to paste your tags here, you just write a small description, and I'm going to talk about those things in the next one. But you're gonna get the results from here. Now what else we can do here is we can also, for long-term vision, we can search competition. So maybe like for specific niche products like kitchen items or stuff, you have some channels. So if you want to just spy on them, you can do that. you know so what we can do is, you can search channels with like say, okay, say iPhone review, maybe, iPhone review. Let's see if something comes up. Great. So these are the channels that, they are prominent in reviewing iPhones or related devices. So we need to click on the advanced search and we get better snapshot of that channel. We also get all the top videos that they have, the thumbnails, the titles, what they are doing. So, and we can save this for future purpose. So if I just hit go back and I hit this save channel button, so it's gonna be saved in my save channel list. So these are my save channel list, and I can just come back and check out all the details of this channel. And so that is very important. I can also analyze my channel with this. And video content, you don't need it for the unfair advantage system, because we are already giving you the templates. We are already giving you the strategy of how you fill the template and create your videos. So but it's very important that you see the trending video, trending tags, and spy on competition area, which are really really critical. Okay, so just go play around. And to set up this software, we have another video, in the training section for the software, so which goes in more detail of the software. But I want you to set up the APIs first before you start. And it's very very simple, hardly takes 5 minutes or so. So just watch that video. And also, when you come here in the API section, we also have the training right here. So it just speaks everything. Just follow the instruction, add in your API, and then boom, just save changes. That's it. And I'm not a tech guy. I'm a very very lazy guy. So if I can do this in 5 minutes, you can set this up in, less than 5 minutes. I promise you that. Okay, so that's it for this video, guys. And in the next video, we are going to show you how we optimize the file even before we upload the video and get the best rankings. Okay, so I'll see you in the next one.